I'm sorry folks, this hurts me as much as it's hurting you. So it's Thursday. You're asking me about the executioner. He's there. Can you see him? Still intact. I don't know what that means. It's been demolished around him, but he's still there, so maybe he's going to be saved. But there it is, being taken away. And look at this over the other side of the road. We just driven down here and I couldn't believe what I saw. Are you ready to be heartbroken, as the song has it? It's the guy being crushed alive. Now I know the figure that was doing it has gone because he was sold at Dorchester. I think he went for about £50 or something ridiculously low, but there we are. It's with the old apple press, I think that was. Standing out in the rain. It's horrible. As I mentioned on the Facebook page, and if you're seeing this on YouTube, by the way, go on to Facebook and join Remembering the Isle of Wight Waxworks. As I mentioned on the page there, this would have been so much easier to cope with if it had been destroyed by a fire or a flood or something, but knowing it's been wantonly demolished is heartbreaking. And the rain's starting to pour down. So here's round the front. Carousel behind, you see a wall's been taken out. The door, it must be open, because there's a guy standing there a minute ago who's just disappeared. So if I go around the side of the building and try and point the camera underneath the tarpaulins, you might be able to see inside, but there's no guarantees. Yep, the door's open. Carry on round. Let's get to see the no, nothing's changed in it. Well, the lights are on inside the rectory mansion. Look at that warm glow, as if it was still alive. There's leaflets in there. Carry on round. Ah. Okay, you can see inside here. Let's put the camera up to the window. So this is the view from the high street. Looking through, don't see anything there. It's not working very well. And there he is. Still there. He is just, as we always suspected, a plastic mask. It's my intention to get hold of that.